Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing another dupe video because it is April and all month long we do dupes because a long time ago I thought April Fools, April dupes, how cute! And so now we just take the whole month of April to do dupes videos. I wish I could do dupes videos all year long. However, I purchase all of this makeup with my own money. None of these videos are sponsored, and so I'm trying to make a penny stretch as far as I can. And so don't be surprised if you see travel size, sample size, you know, kits, things like that, because again, we're trying to be as economical and good stewards with our monies as we can. I know a lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes. I do believe that dupes give the market a little bit more options for the purchaser in terms of maybe ingredients and allergies, fragrance, brand, loyalty, as well as price point is a huge one. But again, I understand a lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes, and that does not go unnoticed. But I personally like a good dupe every once in a while, and so that's why we have this series. In today's video, we are facing off the Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment against the Essence, the Super Glossy Lip Treatment. We are going to talk a little bit about these and compare them and see how they hold up against each other. So let's start with the Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment. This is $20 for 10 milliliters or 0.3 fluid ounces. There are 5 core scents, which is strawberry glaze, Rhode vanilla, salted caramel, unscented, and watermelon slice. There is also a limited edition scent out right now called caramelized banana. That sounds great. This also comes in the peptide tint lip treatment, which has 7 core shades and 2 limited edition shades. Both of them are the same or similar formulas other than the colorant in them, and it boasts that they have peptides, shea butter, and vitamin E as ingredients that they call out. So, what Rhode has to say is our nourishing formula hydrates, replenishes lips while leaving a glossy, high shine finish. The complete collection is now available in our improved formula. Same nourishing gloss you know and love with a lasting, smooth texture. Benefits: helps immediately lock in moisture, nourishes, hydrates, and replenishes dry lips, leaves lips feeling pillowy soft, smooth, fine lines on the lips, and visibly plumps over time. Key ingredients: peptides, a short chain of amino acids that hydrate, smooths, plumps lips while reducing the look of fine lines. Shea butter, a nourishing emollient that hydrates and moisturizes with 5 essential fatty acids. And then vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect against external stressors. I got strawberry glaze, so I do believe that this is their like uncolored one because I didn't get it in like the lip tint. I just got it in the lip treatments. So this is one of their core scents. This is the box. This is the component. Just a regular run-of-the-mill lip gloss component. So yeah, that is for Rhode. Moving on to Essence, this is how it came in the packaging. There was no box or anything. There is a little piece of tape right here to let you know if it's been opened or not. And mine hasn't because I purchased it online. Again, same, just normal, regular lip gloss component. The Essence Super Peptide Glossy Lip Treatment retails for $4.99, which is about a $15 savings. You get 10 milliliters or 0.33 fluid ounces, so these are the exact same size. This only comes in 4 shades. We have Peptacular Clear, which is what I have, Pinkified, Toffee-tastic, and Coralized. I don't know about any scents or anything like that. That's just the colors that it comes in. I got the Peptacular Clear because I believe I got a clear one in the Rhode. So I thought that that was going to be easier to compare. This also boasts that it has peptides, shea butter, and vitamin E in it. So let's see what Essence has to say about their peptide lip treatment. It says, give your lips the love they deserve with Essence, the Super Peptide Glossy Lip Treatment. This restorative lip treatment is designed to naturally plump and leave your lips pillowy soft. Perfect for both day and night usage, this dreamy texture provides a glossy look that enhances your natural beauty. Formulated with nourishing peptides, shea butter, and vitamin E, it moisturizes deeply to keep your lips hydrated and healthy. Why we love it: silky smooth glossy treatment packed with shea butter, vitamin E, and peptides, leaves lips plump and hydrated, cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. Wow, wouldn't you know it, they sound the exact same. So yeah, as we have already compared the packaging, they're pretty much the exact same in terms of packaging because it's a lip gloss, it's a lip treatment. If you are unfamiliar with how we do dupes on my channel, we test these products side by side to see how they perform against each other, look against each other. I do my best to like shade match, but I think I did get clear in both of them. I am a little nervous about the strawberry glaze, it being clear, but it said that it was just a scent, so we will see about that. We just see how they perform against each other, feel, look, and things like that, so that is what we're going to do. I'm going to use the Essence on this side of my lips and the Rhode on this side of my lips so that we can test them side by side to see how they perform. Okay, and this is how they are on the lips. They're both clear gloss treatments, so we will talk about how they feel on the lips. They almost feel the exact same. I do believe that the Essence is slightly thicker. I do believe it has a slightly thicker formulation than the Rhode. However, on the lips, they both feel very comfortable. I'm not getting any like flavor from the Essence, but it does have like a nice sweet scent to it. Yeah, it has a very light, like sweet scent to it. Almost like nothing. I don't even know if it has a scent to it. But that's what I'm getting. And then the Rhode does smell like strawberry glaze. It's like a very fake candy strawberry, and this does have like a little bit of a sweet scent. Not that I'm necessarily trying to like eat the lip gloss, but you know how sometimes when you put lip gloss on, it just gets in your mouth sometimes. So there is a slight bit of like a sweet flavor to the Rhode, if that is like a deterrent for you, if you don't like to taste your lip gloss. The Essence doesn't have any sort of like flavor, but it doesn't like have, it's not like bad, it's just nothing. Yeah, you guys, these are like the exact same. They boast to have the exact same ingredients with peptides, shea butter, and vitamin E. The thing is that going on, the Essence felt a little thicker, just slightly thicker putting it on, whereas the Rhode had like a slightly looser formula. But they look the same on, they feel the same on, they have the exact same key ingredients, again with the peptides, shea butter, and vitamin E. For a $15 savings, unless there is a specific scent or shade that Rhode offers, I would highly suggest looking into the Essence. And I know that this super peptide lip treatment has been around for a while, but Essence has been killing it lately with their like skincare products, their lip products. I know people are iffy about their mascaras. I like their mascaras, but like Essence has been killing it lately. So Essence offers 4 shades: clear, pinkified, toffee-tastic, coralized. Rhode offers 7 core shades with 2 limited edition shades, and then 5 core scents with 1 limited edition scent of the caramelized banana. I am very interested in the caramelized banana. I know I just said go and get the Essence, but I I'm interested in that caramelized banana scent, so I will be trying to look at Sephora to see if I can smell that. But if you are looking for a money-saving situation, then I would definitely be looking into getting the Essence Super Peptide lip treatment because they feel the same, they look the same. I'm getting the exact same hyper glossy finish and extreme moisture on my lips. So if you're looking to save 15 bucks, the Essence 100% a dupe for the Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment. I will link both of these down in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, let me know down in the comment section below, and be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.